Hi guys, if you want to check the engine oil level in Volvo V60 using the physical dipstick, you won't be able to do it because there is none present. Instead, in the center display you have to swipe from right to left and you have to look for the car status application. And here you have to press status right here. And this is where you guys will see the oil level. In order to see it, you actually have to start the car, and now it will show you the oil level. We have the pretty much same idea as dipstick. We have minimum and maximum marks, and right now it shows us the maximum amount of oil in the engine. Also guys, keep in mind that if you do an oil change, for example, you need to drive for about 30 kilometers and then let the vehicle sit for about 5 minutes on level ground in order for the system to show you the correct oil level. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.